I've been working with my friend on this dough in the shape of a frog. It's been all over all the social media, so we decided to duplicate it today. I've actually never made bread before. So essentially all we did in this was we had flour, and I'll put the ingredients at the bottom in the description below for everyone who wants to do this or try this. We had flour, we had yeast, we had coconut milk. I added some coconut flakes unsweetened on the top of mine. We had some butter. What else did we have? White sugar and
a bit of salt.
And a little bit of salt. And that's it essentially. And we just basically put it together. Kneading the dough, I think for me was challenging because I've never actually done the dough with the yeast before. So in total, we left it for 50 minutes. Yeah. And then we shaped the lovely frog. Then we let it sit for another...
But we actually didn't let it sit after because it started to rise while we were working on it.
Right. Yeah. So it was rising as we were actually making the frog.
We were thinking we were just going to have to leave it when we assembled it and leave it to rise. But when we were putting on the legs and the toes and the eyes, the dough was really rising on us. So it was just ready to brush with the melted butter and put it in the oven.
Oh, right. So we had a pan. In my case, I used a round pan and with some parchment paper, and you used a square pan with parchment paper. You don't need to put any flour or anything, just the parchment, and then you put the dough right on your pan, and then we had it in the oven at
350.
350 for about 35 minutes.
40 minutes.
For 40 minutes total. This was the result. And I think, Sean, you can show yours. If you can just tilt it a little bit. I think we did pretty good now. What would you have done differently?
I would actually have strategically put the eyes a little bit more to the back so that when it started to rise, the eyes sort of fell over. It actually looked good when we constructed it.
Yeah, yeah.
When it started to get the heat in the oven and it started to bake, the eyes were a little too close to the edges, so they fell off. Actually putting the frog together with the legs and the eye, that was fun.
I kind of didn't have a way of anticipating how it was going to turn out, considering we've never done this before. And I think we did a pretty good job. I think we met the challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like how you have yours strategically in the grass. It looks like the frog in the bushes.
Yeah, so all I did was I used some arugula, some arugula leaves, and just put the frog in the middle. That was a lot of fun. Now, my friend Sean is a chef. He's an amazing cook, amazing baker, and he's going to be helping me out on the channel in the future, sharing some of his recipes with us. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I really appreciate you hanging out and doing this. We will definitely be doing this again. So, Sean, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.